What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Steph with Urban, so we got another good one for that. Alright, y'all, we back. we back, man. Women Crush Wednesdays, everybody, y'all. We getting into it, baby. So this is Katy Perry Firework. Like, comment, subscribe, please. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. New to YouTube, trying to grow. Been here 8 months, and the end of January will be 9. So please subscribe. I appreciate it, y'all. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. All my subscribers, and if you're new, please like the video. I'm focusing on likes this year. I need to get my subscriber count up because I'm tripping. People starting to look at me like I'm crazy. They're like, but they don't understand how my account's so low. And I was so focused on pushing out videos and letting y'all see my personality and having fun and enjoying myself, and I wasn't focusing on promoting my channel. And I didn't want to, but it's getting kind of ridiculous. I have over 600, 700 something videos, and I have less than 5,000 subscribers. And out of over some billion channels on YouTube, I'm the only channel like that. There's no other channel like that, not one. So I gotta do better than that. I just got to. I gotta do better. So y'all like the video, please like the video. Thank you. Doing Katy Perry, y'all, Firework. So I think I've already done this song before on the channel, and that was my first time really listening to Katy Perry. No, I had heard her a couple of times, but only like her made. I don't know. I can't remember. Katy Perry, I can't remember. But I know for sure Firework was a famous song because I think I heard that song before. And I react to my channel. This is a live version of it, and I'm doing this video for a couple of reasons. For about 3 reasons. First reason is I want to see what Katy Perry sounds live, because I think she's a pop star, and I heard a rumor that she can't sing, so I'm about to find out that right now. Second thing, I told y'all I was going to do at least one more Katy Perry song. It was supposed to be something totally different. Since the last time I did it, I was kind of surprised that she don't have a lot of YouTube fans, which is very interesting. Her fan base on YouTube is real small. it's very interesting. So yeah, so I wanted to react to this. So this is for, I think, the inauguration or something like this, and she's doing it live. So any of the Katy Perry fans that aren't on YouTube, I know she has a lot of fans in real life, I understand that, but there's a thing called YouTube fan base, and there's something called real life fan base. Her real life fan base is extremely huge. Her YouTube fan base is really small, because a lot of her fans don't go around watching the reaction videos. It's as simple as that. So for the fans that are out there, I promise I'll react to another one, so I'm reacting to this one. And third reason is I wanted to see what was going on for the inauguration anyway. That'd be kind of cool. And yeah, I want to see if she sounds good. I ain't gonna take her head off. This is gonna be more of a shorter video. We already heard this song, so we wanted to listen to it, probably sing a little bit. And yeah, here you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, Katy Perry.
She looks older, a lot older.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel?
This is a perfect example. I told y'all this about the other day when I did that. I don't know, I mentioned Chester and how in real life he sounds exactly the same like he sounds on CD. Some people need a lot of that mixing and matching to make them sound better. And this does not sound like the song that I heard originally at all, so far. So she might be one of those singers that in real life she don't sound as good.
Feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in. Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark?
I can tell that she can sing. I just don't think she can pull this song off to make it sound like the original. I just don't think so. But I can tell that she can sing.
Ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July.
Yeah, you can tell. Like I said, you can just hear it. You can hear the different variances of certain points of the song where she would normally be either higher or lower, and she can't get that high or low because she's in real life. Told you. There's a lot of people, a lot of singers do a lot of mixing and mashing.
Cause baby, you're firework. Come on, show 'em what you want. Make 'em go, as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, you're gonna leave 'em falling off. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds.
This song made her so famous. So famous. I think she got famous from this song. Like, this is what made her career. This one song. This song was everywhere, bro. I remember this was on America's Best Dance. Yeah, this song was everywhere, bro. This is what made her career right here.
Except you're a hurricane, comes a rainbow, maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the
I see you
perfect
biting.
road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow. And when it's time, you'll know you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you want. Make 'em go, as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, gonna leave 'em falling off. Oh, boom, 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 even brighter than the moon. It's always been inside of you. And now it's time to let it go. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you want. Make 'em go, as you shoot across the sky. Make 'em go,
That is good.
you're gonna leave 'em falling off. Oh, boom, 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 even brighter than the moon. Oh, boom, boom,
Wow.
even
Look at that. Wow. Wow. That's it, y'all. That was really awesome. Now, going back to the Katy Perry, first thing, y'all, I love fireworks shows, so that was just beautiful. Another thing, they had to have mad speakers out there. You know why? Fireworks are really loud. Like, they really downgraded the sound of those fireworks. Like, fireworks are extremely loud. So for them to be able to hear her sing and hear the fire, them speakers had to have been blasting. Straight up. But going back to the Katy Perry, y'all, if you go back and listen to the original song, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Her fan base don't come on YouTube, so they can't kill me like that. So I'm okay. I'm safe. But I'm just being honest with you, like, I don't know. And is that the only CD she ever came out with, y'all? That Firework CD? You know, I'm interested in hearing more of her music. I know she probably got some CDs after that one, but I'm talking about before that one. I want to see some of her original stuff. Like, let me see some. That's how you know when somebody's good, when their original stuff is fire. So that's why I want to hear some of her original stuff, y'all. I know I'm gonna get slaughtered in the comments from the random Katy Perry fans that are on YouTube, but it ain't a lot, so I'm safe. We good, man. Anyway, but she's still a good talent. The original song is beautiful. It'll make you tear up if you don't catch yourself. Like the original song, fire, pure fire. But yeah, that one. You can hear some of her highs was like she wanted to be emphasis on some of her highs that she could pull off, and she did really well with that. But you can tell that there is there's a mixing and matching in that song. Anyway, y'all, alright, y'all. But yeah, well, I'll see y'all in a minute. We got some good ones today, y'all. Like and subscribe. We out.
On the Urban Experience, where we do things the urban way.